So it's currently 1:30 in the morning and we are about to do our 4th hike in 5 days. A bit exhausted. We're doing Mount Bromo. Guess what?
Yeah.
We're going to go up to the top of a mountain. Yeah? And we're going to watch the sunrise. And then we're going to go in a jeep. And then we're going to do a bit more climbing up to the top of the crater. Is that so exciting?
Look good.
You look so good. Yeah, so you're going to be in charge of the torch, yeah? To make sure we can see where we're going. It's a very important job. Can you do it?
Want that cuddle?
You want the cuddle? Oh, okay. Look, Ruru, that's our jeep. Look.
Ready, Ray?
Cool.
Ready?
That's our jeep. Are you excited? Whoa.
Daddy, like Daddy.
Yeah, look. This is so cool. Can I sit here? Wow. This is so cool, isn't it, Noodles? Are you excited about this? Yes.
These kids love getting woken up like that.
It's literally 2 in the morning now. So, Jeep's just arrived at the top of the mountain. It's now 3:40 and the driver just goes, we'll start walking up to the top at 5:45, sleep in the car till then, and then just walked off. Now I don't know where he is. So we're like, what? No. Everyone else is walking up, so we're just gonna go in a minute and just go walk to the top. We've literally woken up at 1:30 this morning to get up here to then sleep in the car for 2 hours. Nah. What's your name? And what are you doing today? What are you going to be doing today? Climbing a mountain. Yeah?
Put your head up.
Literally, so many jeeps. The whole way is
Put
just,
your head up.
there must be like
Put
hundreds.
your head up.
You know what?
One put your head up.
Put your head up.
Yeah.
What head? Oh, okay. You haven't got a hood on this one.
Huh?
You haven't got a hood on that one. You got a hood on your jacket. Do you want to put your jacket on?
Yeah.
So we just bought Dusty a woolly hat and Rudy some gloves. This is the only hat. No, stop looking up. This is the only hat they had small enough.
Mommy.
And then Rudy's gloves are awful as well. If you want. It's up to you.
This one.
I don't think we need it, do you?
You belong
Do you think we need it?
like that. Very good in the top. You been there, you have sunrise. 25 this one. Your mom?
So, we're all wrapped in our blanket, aren't we? We're snug. Like a little den. We've got our blanket. They got their blanket. And we're just waiting for the sun. I've just whacked Tally in the head. And we're just waiting for the sunrise. So heading back down now, and the views on the way down are as good as the ones at the top. and check out how many cars there are parked along this road. All vintage Toyotas, and how this guy is going to get his car out, I have no idea. I mean, just look how tightly they're parked next to each other. Crazy. And this is our bad boy. This one. It's 50 years old. This car is. What a beast.
Maybe sit in the front.
Daddy chose not to take the front, so I'm up. Let's go. Corey? You like this truck? No, it's the case of trying to get out of here. Good, Roo?
Yeah.
Towels? Now we're going to the crater. So we thought we'd leave a little bit earlier from the viewpoint and get down there before everyone else, because as you can see there are a lot of jeeps. This goes for a long way.
Hello.
Hi there, how are you?
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
Quick. Oh, race. See you in a bit. Look at this horse, it's got natural pink hair. This place is something else. You got a bit of everything, really. Everywhere you look is magical. And I'm not even joking, it is magical. You got the jeeps, you got the horses. Obviously, we're not going to take the horse because we've got our own legs. But they actually dye the horses' manes pink, and this one's got a pink mane. You gonna walk, yeah?
That's really loud.
Someone's playing music. Tals? You wanna ride a horse? Why not? Because it's cruel. Those legs were made for walking, and that's just what they'll do, yeah? Dusty, ready to go and climb a volcano? I mean, I can't tell if that was a yes or a no, but we're doing it anyway. Roo, we want to be one of the first up there. We've left early to get the first up there, so get a shift on. Right, do you want to run? Yes, mate.
I'm gonna get it right.
Mummy's gonna catch you. You better get going. She's catching you, Roo. She's catching you. Doodle, should we catch him? Yeah, let's catch him. So this is the crater we're going to. You can see a bit of smoke coming out. And we've got to climb up here now and get to the top so we can look in. So we left the sunset spot like way earlier than anyone else. We'd seen the sun just come up, probably didn't get the best shot of it, but then we thought we'd get to the crater as quick as possible, try and skip the people there. I think it was a good choice because so far there's barely anyone here, and I've heard it gets pretty busy, and looking at the amount of jeeps there are, it's going to get busy, so I think that was a good option to leave a bit earlier. And wow. This is a new breed of horse, special luminous hair. This one's grey natural pink hair. This one's boring, it's quite normal. Oh, another rainbow. And then this is the last little push up here. Wallop. Just about to start up the stairs. Starting to get a pretty strong smell of sulphur. So, you know we're close.
Nice to meet you.
Right near Brighton.
Where is that?
Near Brighton. Hello, Slinky. What's your fault?
Absolute jokes. Been here for like 20 minutes. Too much. So just finishing the crater, and now we're heading back to the car. If you find yourself in East Java, I definitely recommend doing Mount Bromo. It's an easy hike, no more than 20 minutes really. And the majority of the time you spend driving in the off-road vehicles. The horse car park. There's some vibey old horses. This horse has got a bright pink mohawk. Get out of the way of that one. That one looked like it had a mind of its own. Hey, you're not driving this, are you? You're only 2 years old. Good. So this is the volcano, as you can probably see, and it's starting to give off a lot more smoke now than it was when we were up there, and it seems to be coming this way towards everyone as well, so pleased we got out of there.